This is showing a test that we do on encoders after repair. We've done a component level repair on this encoder here, and we're going to do a test of the output channels. The power is now hooked up, and we're going to go ahead and test the first channel, which is the A output. Now we'll spin the shaft and see what kind of an output we get. It should be a nice clean square wave, which we do see as we slowly spin the shaft. And now to test the B channel. There should be another nice clean square wave as we spin the shaft. There is. We'll continue testing channels to make sure we have good waveforms on all. All 6 channels have tested good. This encoder is repaired.